Hello Cougar students, my name is Mr. DeSantis and I'm here today to show you how to enroll for classes for the 1920 school year. We have changed the procedure and have gone online, and you will be doing your selection of classes or courses in CougarNet. So we will get started to show you where everything's located, how you will do it. You will have till Thursday, February 14th at 4 o'clock to make your selections. Guidance counselors will be available in the library every period this week to help you if you should have any problems. So please listen and we will show you what you need to know. Once you have opened CougarNet, you want to go to the course request section and click on that, and there you will find a list of courses that you're eligible to take this year listed by departments. You will only see the courses that you are eligible to take. If you are wanting to take a class that you're not eligible to take, you must see a guidance counselor to register for that class. So you must meet with one of the guidance counselors. So let's take a look at selecting classes. We go to Business and Technology, we're going to take Architecture, and we're going to take Mechanical Drawing. We go down to then English, and we'll see what our options in there since that's required, and we're going to take English 12. And then we'll go down to mathematics and see what's available there, and we're going to do college algebra. And then we'll go to science, and we have different options, and we're going to take physics. And something new this year, any class that has a lab science, you must also select that lab, corresponding lab. So I select both, and then I'm going to go to my next department, and I'm going to go to social studies, and I'm going to take criminology and sociology. And then finally, I'm going to go down to religion and pick my two religion classes. So we're going to take the two religion classes. Now I'm going to scroll back up top and see that I have picked 6.5 classes. So I need one more class because, as it tells us up above, you need 7 classes each semester, and it will not let you save this until you have 7. So I'm going to open up Visual Arts, and I'm going to take Digital Photography and Design, which now puts me at 7, and I have all the classes that I need. Now, something else that's needed to do is, for some of our courses, mostly electives, you must also add alternates. So let's assume I'm going to take Basic 3D as an alternate. I hit the drop-down menu and say I want to make that an alternate for architecture. Select that, and if I look over at my left now, I see that Basic 3D printing is listed as an alternate. That way, if architecture will not fit into the schedule, we can schedule you right into that class and not have to contact you. So it's very important that you pick alternates and pick classes that you're willing to take. And once I'm all done, I hit the Save button, and now we have saved our classes. If you wish to take a course out of sequence, for example, you're a freshman taking biology and you want to take chemistry as a 10th grader, you must see the guidance counselors before you start the selection process. They will be available in the library every day, Monday through Thursday of this week, to help you get enrolled in those classes. So they will be available to help you out in any ways. The most important thing to remember is you must be finished by Thursday the 14th at 4 o'clock. One other thing, if you're taking classes at Lakeland or any other place, CCP classes, in order to get to 7, go down to Study Hall and select Lakeland 1, Lakeland 2, as many Lakeland classes as you need to get to 7. That will allow you then to save your work. So if you're only taking 5 classes at Lake Catholic and you're taking 2 at Lakeland, hit Lakeland 1 and 2. That will give you 7 classes, and you will be able then to save your work. Have a good day, and if you have any other questions, see the guidance counselors or see myself, Mr. DeSantis. Thank you very much.